Today's question is an interesting geometry question. We have quadrant AOB and a line segment CD such that CD is parallel to the radius OB. CD length is 20 centimeter. Between CD and OB we have a circle of maximum radius. We have to find the shaded region. Discuss the mathematical approach first. Let the dia of inner circle is 2r. Thus OC is also 2r. Let the radius of bigger circle is capital R. Thus OD is also R. The triangle OCD is right angle triangle. Let's apply the Pythagoras theorem in it. So we have r square equals to 2r square plus 20 square. Let's simplify it. On simplifying it, we get r square minus 4r square equals to 400. Let's multiply by pi on both the sides. So pi r square minus 4 pi r square equals to 400 pi. Let's divide the equation on both sides by 4. So we get pi r square by 4 minus pi r square equals to 100 pi. Pi r square by 4 is nothing but 1/4 of the area of bigger circle or area of quadrant, and small pi r square is the area of circle. On subtracting them, we'll get the area of shaded region, which is 100 pi, and thus our answer is 100 pi centimeter square. Let's discuss the same question again and solve it by logical approach in 30 seconds. In the question, the length of CD is given, but no restriction is related to the length of capital R or the radius of smaller circle. Let's reduce the radius of smaller circle further. Radius of smaller circle is reduced. We have kept the length of CD as same, and thus the area of shaded region should remain same. The CD is approaching towards OB, which is the radius of bigger circle. The inner circle radius further, we have kept the length CD as same 20 centimeter. Thus the area of shaded region should remain same. Let's reduce the inner circle dia further. The inner circle further, we'll see the inner circle will at one point become a point and CD will overlap on the radius OB, and thus the radius of bigger circle will become 20 centimeter and the area of shaded region will be same as the area of quadrant. In this case, the area will be 1/4 of pi into 20 square or 400 pi by 4, and we'll get our answer as 100 pi centimeter square. I hope you enjoyed the logical approach. Keep watching.